This is your USD News Minute. Applications are now open for USD's President for a Day. It's your chance to swap places with President Harris, learning what it's like to lead a university for a day while President Harris takes your classes. The deadline to apply is April 7th. Visit the website to learn more. Mission Integration hosts the Spring Prayer Breakfast on Thursday, March 12th with Bishop Michael Pham, Bishop of San Diego. He will reflect on his journey from refugee to bishop and share his vision for a church that supports coming together as a community in hope and unity. USD's 13th Annual Mariachi Conference kicks off on Friday. During the two-day event, participants will explore the tradition, technique, and artistry of mariachi music. Each evening at 6:30 p.m. there will be a mariachi concert open to the public at Shiley Theatre. Come out and cheer for our softball team in a doubleheader series on Friday at 4 and 6 p.m. against Idaho State. And at 6 p.m. on that same Friday, watch men's baseball take on Oregon State. There will be a student tailgate with free food before the game. And all season long, military service members and kids 12 years old and under can attend baseball and softball games for free. Let's go Toreros! As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you next week.